Good evening, everybody, my students, fellow traders, my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoyacha. I want to bring you the second part of weekly analysis. In this second part, I want to analyze cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and some of them. Then I will add indices like US100, US30, DAX, UK100, Tesla, Papanico, SP500. So let me start with US100. The US100 is still going as we forecast last week. You can see it turned in the blue box, and when it dropped once more, those who watch my midweek review will know that I said it will. Let me show you in 1 hour. Those who watch my midweek review will remember that when this was dropping, I said it will likely turn here, but that I expect it to turn for this place unless it goes below here. That if you are trading it, you can buy it here and stop loss here, and it turns like exactly from this level. Now it make another impulse. So now what are we looking for? Is now making correction. I can say this is A, B, C. Okay, sometimes corrections can be simple, sometimes it can be complex. Maybe this is WXY. Maybe it will make another move and drop once more. So whatever is the case, is not buying it from here might not be the best decision. Okay, unless only a close above here will confirm that the correction is over. So I expect another swing. This is what I expect. Something like this before the buying. Okay, it may happen, it may not happen. Okay, so let's go back to 4 hours. From there, let's go back to 4 hours. Here we go. Okay, so this is what we're looking for, an ABC, okay, or WSY, anyone. Okay, so US100, that's the NASDAQ, is buy. Only buy I can buy, I cannot sell. US100, that's the Dow Jones, is almost the same structure. Almost the same thing happened. After this buy, it dropped in 3 waves, A, B, C, or WSY. Is now buying again. So expect WSY again and continue buying. By breaking this level, the buying has confirmed. Then the breaking of this will now give us more confidence on the buying. So I'm only looking to enter buy and nothing more. Nifty did not make the correction when others were correcting. It simply made a little pullback. You can see a little pullback and still going up. Okay, and there's something you must know. Whenever a market is moving like this, very strong, if you entered the trade at a good price, maybe you entered here or you entered here. So what do? You always shift your stop loss whenever it makes a new swing, because why? You can wake up one day and see a heavy drop, something like this. we can wake up one day and see a heavy drop, something like this. Then you may see a move like this, another one like this. So if you did not move your stops, you find out that the profit you made in 2 weeks or in a week can be wiped out in 2 hours or in 4 hours. So be cautious of your profit, because when it is gone, it is gone. Okay, so let's continue. The next page is NIKKEI 25 index. Okay, so NIKKEI, in my last week, and before this drop, I said we are looking for 3 waves, which will give us wave 4. So right now, I will remove this because it has violated the Elliott wave theory. So, and this is even disproportionate as long as Elliott wave is concerned. So sometimes market will behave the way you may not understand. But in any case, as long as this move did not go below this point, it's a good thing because we're looking for a new high. So entering the trade here, stop loss will be here. Oh, sorry, stop loss will be here. Okay, so those who, I always advise you to not to sell with A, rather after with A, watch with B and sell with C. So maybe you sold with C from here. You have made a profit from here to here or from here to here. So whichever one, and it's a very big profit, if I may say. So I can say that what the market made is good for us, and it will also give us the chance to enter in a very good price. So because we are now looking for a new high. Okay, so in all this I touched, I don't see anyone that needed that have a sell anticipation. We only see buying anticipation. That's my view. Your view might differ, but if you are willing to follow my idea, it is only buy that we can buy all those pays. Okay, now the Jones, it's made this harmonic pattern, ended, is now making another harmonic pattern. Okay, and this pattern, let me move this because it's something if once this pattern closes above here, then it is certain that it will be valid, or it may even go deeper. Okay, but for now, let us watch the buy to this end to that 800 zone. Maybe we may get another pullback from there or pressure from there. But right now is the buy we are talking about. UK100. UK100, just like US100 and US30, you can see, let me check daily first. Okay, now in daily chart, this is what we are expecting. See, maybe next time I will label all these charts. I can't label them now because of time, but all this move is an impulse. All this move is an impulsive move. So after impulse comes correction. So now here is with W, here is with X, and I expect with Y to drop this deep. But since we are not seeing the sign of the deep dropping, we focus on what we see. So it may happen later, but for now, I think the buying is what we will likely get. So I can do. So now in spite of what we expect in a bigger move, okay, we expect a lower time frame of WXY. Now we have gotten the W. The wave X will likely end at this upper trend line. Then Y will likely happen maybe either in 5 waves or in 3 waves or even in 7 waves. I don't know yet. But when this will begin to happen, it will give us data that shows that it will drop. Right now, focus on what happens around this level. DAX. DAX is also, DAX move deeper than we expected. You know, just like US100. Okay, it went deeper than we expected. Though the gap was not much because, like as I always tell you, that we expect a reversal in the blue box. But if it will go deeper, that is, if it will extend, it will turn around the red box. But now it pierced it and turned back, and now it's going up. So in this pair also, I'm not looking for any I'm not looking for any sell, because here confirmed. Okay, a break of this here we confirm the buying. Okay, so and likely the buying will go like this and give us a new high. Maybe after that we may get another move. Then before it will go up again. For now, let's focus on when here is broken. And let me tell you, the bullish move have confirmed here. The break of here confirmed the bullish move. But you know, this can be said a primary confirmation. This will be a standard confirmation. But all I can tell you that it is going up. I don't expect it to come down again and close below this level. Or let me see daily candle. So on daily candle, no sign yet that it will still come lower for now. So let's go to the next. Okay, no, I have checked this. Let's see Tesla. Tesla in daily time frame is in a reversal zone, but the way it is moving, it's better we watch the lower time frame. So maybe to know what we will likely get before we go back to the bigger time frame. And you can see it has been moving in with this channel. Okay. Therefore, from what I'm seeing now, we will likely get a drop before we go back to this upper channel. Let me keep this for daily alone. So for now, I'm expecting it to drop. This is what I expect before this. Maybe after that, we may get a move like this. So it is a forecast, not a must. So our consign will be the immediate one. This drop will be our consign. Then after that, we look for buy that will give us a new high, a new swing high, or a new higher high. Okay, so let's check the next pair. Copper, let's check copper. Copper has been moving at least 80% in accordance with our analysis. Let me check daily. Okay, in daily time frame, we expect the copper to come to this level and drop to this level. But right now, let us go back to 4 hours. So in 4 hours, what do we expect? What do we have? From what we have, we will now know what we expect. Okay. Right now, expect right now, let us watch. Let's watch what happens here. This pair is in a reversal zone right now. So are we getting, are we getting this big ABC? Or will we get another pullback before it happens? It's likely that we will get another move back before we begin to have this bigger move. So for now, I don't recommend buy nor sell. I can only recommend buy if the market begin to move in a corrective manner. If the market go in a corrective manner, then I can say it will buy. But for now, I need to know what will happen in this zone. So that's for now. But in any case, in the overall trend, we are going up. In overall, we are going up. So it is buy in overall. You can see the trend is buy. What we are having now is correction. Okay. What we have now is correction. How deep will it be? I don't know. But in my opinion, we will likely come to this level. Maybe before the month runs out or by next month. For now, focus on what's happening in 4 hours and 1 hour time frame. NIKKEI. NIKKEI, let me go to daily first. Oh. NIKKEI, after the break of this channel, I expected another drop, but it seems we will not get this drop we expected. So it seems this may not happen again, because after the break, it went back with a full force. It shows that the correction is a brief one or a shallow one. Okay, so now watch for a correction and continue the buying. Okay, the buy is what technical analysis can now see. Okay, and on the 4 hours, we expected this pattern to complete. Though this pattern can say complete, but having taken this out, this last swing, I'm afraid if we can come back to this level, except that when market opens, we see a sharp candle that dropped. If not, forget it. If we see this type of candle that dropped, then we may likely get a correction like this, and it will drop to complete this. But for now, let us focus on what we see. What we see that we are going to make a new high. So let me remove this because it will confuse somebody, those who like to save the chart while watching videos. Okay, so let me leave this pattern for now until it goes above this level. Then I'll remove it. As long as it hasn't made a new top, there's a possibility that we can still come back and complete it. Okay. Okay, let's keep watching. Let's watch this. This is another pattern developing. Maybe after this pattern, we will get another one that will complete this. For now, let's leave it like this. SP 500. S&P 500. Let's see daily charts on it. Okay. This channel have been there for a very long time. Okay, now it made a break of the channel, made three waves move. Let me widen the chart. It broke the ascending channel, ascended maybe since March or May. It broke it, made three waves, A, B, C. It's now it also okay, let me check something. Okay, so this is a standard level for reversal. So as long as this level, as long as this level remains, we may still get a move down. You may still get a move down as long as this level is not broken. So if you are buying this, be careful, not be in a haste to buy because we might complete this. We might complete this pattern W, X, Y. It is an incomplete sequence, so be careful if you are buying because it will still come back and complete it. Then it must have completed in a truncated manner. Okay, so I like to go with what is standard. That's why I show you all this in case they begin to happen. Well, do I show you 4 hours? Let me check 4 hours. So I don't think if there is anything special in 4 hours. Does not. This is three, 1, 2, 3, 3 swings. Okay, which will likely be the first swing. Then we will likely get this and get another 1, 2, 3. That we got to this level. So that is the purpose of me showing you this. So the possibility that we will likely get this. Another 3 swing may drop. Okay. What again? Nothing more to show you on this. So we move. Let's enter cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Bitcoin have been going as we forecasted. We are now expecting the market is correcting. So now what we want to know, will it be a shallow? Will it be shallow? And let me try to show you something. The very question we are expecting, will it be shallow, just like this? Will it be shallow like this? Or will it be deep like this? This is correction. This is correction. And to me, we will likely get it to drop like this before going up. Okay, so if I am said to choose one, I mean, if I was asked, if I asked, do you think it will drop, or do you think the drop ended here? My answer will be it will drop. So, well, that's my own opinion, and my own opinion is depending on what I have experienced before. So, not a must. I always tell you, not a must, but likely it will drop and give us a meaningful ABC before going up again. There is any possibility that after this ABC, we may get a move like this and give us another ABC, or that time around it becomes WXY. In that case, this will drop like 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the buying continues. So this is forecast, and what every experienced technical analyst will always have in mind, because that's how market moves. Okay, it will be simple, drop like this and continue to go. It will make this corrective complex pattern before going up. So why am I showing you all this? One reason, if they begin to happen, you would be surprised and you won't panic. If those who don't know what I'm showing you, you begin to panic, you will prepare yourself to buy from that very level we expect it will go. Okay, so let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum seems to be stronger than Bitcoin this time around, because from what I'm seeing in Ethereum, you may not get a deep move. You may just simply get a little move down and a big move up. So it seems Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin this time around. Okay, let me even show you something. What determines whether Ethereum is performing better than Bitcoin or not? Let me show you that. Let's close this. This is Ethereum versus BTC. Ethereum versus BTC. Okay, it's going down. It means BTC is stronger. But watching the chart against USD. Okay, now Ethereum is weaker against BTC, but is stronger against USD. So that's what I can see. Okay, and let's even make something comprehensive from here. Okay, we may likely get this. We will likely get this. That is a continuous dropping. This kind of move this type of move, then this. So let's keep watching. I mean, this is for those who are trading margin on cryptos. If you're trading margin, prepare to buy Ethereum BTC. Okay, so let's go back to, let's check BNB. BNB is not different from Ethereum in their movement. So expect a move up soonest. Okay, because the correction is not strong. Though sometimes it can start sluggishly and still pick up and go deeper. But on this, I don't see it going deeper for now. Okay, so let's check Litecoin. They are all doing the same thing. Litecoin is equally making a shallow correction. It's turned within our reversal zone and it's going up. Okay, so I think no need wasting more time. Let's see DOGE. DOGE, DOGE. Okay, it's turned within the reversal zone again. It's going up, maybe 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, maybe ABC, then 5. So watch for another swing high to give us wave 5. Okay, but mind you, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this wave 4 might still come deeper. It must have ended. So for now, I'm looking for DOGE to give us a swing high, maybe around 800 or thereabout. After that, we look for correction again. What coin again do we check? ETN. ETN is not serious, so let's forget it now. We look for ADA. ADA is equal not serious. Okay, but ADA, I trust the coin. But for now, there's no strength in its movement. So, but having broken this channel, maybe this is maybe it is gathering momentum to move. Anybody who study technicality, we know this language, momentum. It might be gathering momentum to move. So maybe this channel may serve as the pattern that will give it a force to move. It may linger this here, and you see it boom, move. Okay, so let's keep calm. Which one? Okay, let's see SHIBA and conclude. SHIBA. Yeah. All right, SHIBA is the wonder of the week. SHIBA is the wonder of the week. Okay, so now SHIBA will likely do ABC. So this is with A. With B, either have ended here, then with C will drop, or with B might do something like this. Okay, let me show you something. With B might do something like this. A, B, C. Then let me change the color. Then it will be, here is A of B, here is B of B, B of B, then C of B. If that be the case, it simply means that this with B will come up bigger before this dropping will happen. Okay, but for now, I don't want to make the assumption. Why I'm showing you this is that if such move happens, for you to remember, because why? What you don't know is what brings fear. What you don't know is what brings fear. Okay. You may think when this begins to drop, you may think, okay, wave C is dropping, and all of a sudden you see it going up again, and you may conclude, okay, wave C wave C is over, maybe here. You presume, and when you are dancing that SHIBA is trying to give us a new high, you see it dropping, and you become confused, and you may sell your coin out of fear that you don't know what SHIBA is doing again. This is the only reason I'm showing you all this, so that I know you are a human like me, trying to make money. So I would like you to sell your coin out of fear and lose the money. The big men in the game will buy it and make the profit that you should make. So have this knowledge for free. When it begins to happen, you know that it will happen. But if you don't know, you become afraid. But if you know, you won't fear. So expect either drop to this level or drop halfway, going up again before dropping ultimately. So that's my forecast. That's my expectation and nothing more. Okay. So we are ending the lesson, the analysis here. Ready with here. This is my personal phone number. If you want to join my students, I have students that I teach technical analysis. Trading is all about technical. I mean, more of technical, because even fundamental and the news, they have few hours impact. They may move the market for some hours, but technical will be going for years and decades. Okay, so if you don't know technical, you don't know anything in trading. Sorry to say it like, okay, anyway, if you don't know technical, you don't know much. Let me use the word much. Okay, so this is my phone number. This number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. Set me up and demand to join the students. The payment is very little, very cheap. I also have a free Telegram group where you can subscribe. Sorry, where you can join and enjoy so many things for free. For instance, I always post charts during the days, chat that we always direct traders to make their choice. But you know, I can't make videos every day. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this video, like it and share it. God bless you. Bye.